Hi. What's that blinking for? Hi. What do you think about pizza tonight? That sounds good. Yeah, Aunt Becky's right there. You're just making sure, right? Yep. Pair of jeans right there. Are you gonna do your huffing and puffing? Huffing and puffing? Yeah. Oh, I know that's gonna hurt. Careful. Hi. I know. You gotta watch it. Don't hit your teeth.
You want to turn around
Careful.
and go somewhere? Is that what you want? Yeah, let's turn around and go somewhere. Let's go see Stuart.
Here you go. Beep, beep. Stuart's like, great. Aw, Stewie.
He's all like, let's go.
Take a break for a little chew. Are you huffing and puffing? What's your huffing and puffing? Oh, you got him back here. I know. What's Dewey doing? Dewey, what are you doing? Playing with your toy?